This is the most prescribed antibiotic in the United States. Amoxicillin is used to treat everything from chest and sinus infections to strep throat, and China controls 80% of the raw ingredients needed to make it.
It's not an insignificant percentage of antibiotics and also things like heparin are imported from countries like China.
Along with antibiotics like amoxicillin, blood pressure medications like ARBs, and pain relievers like ibuprofen, all are medications that medical experts say are often traced to China.
There's going to be a tariff wall put up.
That's a major vulnerability as U.S. President Donald Trump threatens to impose tariffs on imported medicines in a bid to move more drug manufacturing back to America.
We don't make our own drugs anymore. The drug companies are in Ireland and they're in lots of other places, China.
As the world's factory, China has dominated the global drug supply chain in the production of the chemical compounds for active ingredients and the ingredients themselves. Hong Kong University professor Qingpeng Zhang has identified the factors behind China's dominance, including a government policy that puts a strategic focus on advanced biotechnology through nurturing top STEM talent and building a robust pharma supply chain.
It's also super expensive and costly to try to reshape this very well-established global supply chain. So it may take 5 to 10 years and a very high cost to manufacture those generic drugs in the U.S.
To be clear, China has made no threat about weaponizing the supply chain. But one Tsinghua University professor has suggested China could use its, quote, leverage to intentionally limit drug supplies to the U.S.
If there is a cutoff in terms of the actual supply from China or from any other country for that matter that actively supplies medications to the United States, you could see shortages.
It is a moral obligation because this is actually directly linked to patients' lives. And on the other hand, it is also currently it's very profitable.
So far, pharmaceutical products have been spared from Trump's tariffs. Now, amoxicillin is already in short supply with only one manufacturer in the United States. Whether Beijing pulls the trigger or not, it is a choke point that China is holding over the U.S. Kristie Stout, CNN, Hong Kong.